There's a great website called RapidResizer.com. It's completely free to use. There's over 700 free designs on this website. I'm going to show you some of these designs. I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can make some t-shirt designs with these patterns. Let's jump in. All right, so I'm on RapidResizer.com. I go here to the top. There's a free designs tab right there. I'm going to click on it. We can see here there's 724 results. So there's over 700 free designs here. Now, a lot of them are very simple patterns, but I'm going to show you how you can use this. The first thing I can do is up at the top, I can search for something. So for example, like football, for example, that's going to bring me back a few different designs. I could also search for cat, for example. That will bring me back some designs. You can also just look through the designs as well. So down here at the bottom, there's 724 results, and you can simply click on the different pages and you can float on through and see what's available. I'm going to click on this American robin bird, for example. You'll see it's a very simplistic design. Now, the reason for this is it's an SVG file, a scalable vector graphic, and that means that you can put it on a t-shirt, you can open it up in Inkscape. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to walk through how you can put a design on a t-shirt. So what I'm going to do here is I'll use a football design. I like this football right here. Okay, so when you're going to download this design, you've actually got two options. If I click the download button here, I'm going to get a PNG file. So it's going to say save to your computer, this link right here. And when I click save to your computer, it's going to come up with a PNG file. So this is a graphic. This is not a scalable vector graphic. But right in this screen here, the search screen, if I click on the football right here on the left-hand side, and I click save image as, it actually comes up as a scalable vector graphic. So I'm going to save both and show you the difference. Okay, so now I'm in a program called Inkscape, and it's a free vector software program. There's menus along the left, menus along the right, there's menus along the bottom. It looks pretty overwhelming at first glance, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Let's go to File and Open. And I've gone to my file location. Here's my SVG file that I clicked on, and here's my PNG file. If I open up the PNG file first, I'm going to get this option here to import the PNG file. I'm going to click OK. And we'll see this is the PNG file. It's got a transparent background and it's just an image. I can click on it and I can move it around, but it's basically just an image. There are no nodes the way there are when you're dealing with an actual true vector. So I'm going to close this out, and now I'm going to open up my vector file. And we'll see it looks the exact same, but when I click here, which is edit paths by node, you'll see now we've got actual nodes that I could change. So this is a scalable vector graphic. You can actually change the way this looks. So it's your choice on what you'd like to do here. You could use this as a vector, you could use this as a PNG file. They're both pretty clean files. One of the things you can do with these designs that's pretty neat is you can fill in the design if you like, but it's pretty easy to do. On the left-hand side, there's a little paint bucket tool. It's right there. I'm going to click on it, and then down below, I'm going to find a brown color, and then I'm simply just going to click inside the football. If I click outside of it, nothing's really going to happen. Okay, so I filled in the football with a bunch of brown, and now I'd like to fill it in with a bunch of white. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to pick the paint bucket tool again, pick white this time, and now I will simply select all of the areas that don't have any fill on it. So just like that, I've now got a great looking football. And here we can see my PNG file has a truly transparent background, which is always good when you're making t-shirt designs. I highly recommend. It's easy and free to use Inkscape and Rapid Resizer to make very simple, very elegant t-shirt designs that will sell. Really hope you found this video helpful. Here's another video on how you can have some fun on your graphic design journey. Thanks a lot for watching.